Good morning, students. So far we have learned first 3 lessons. I have given assignment also. First 3 lesson assignment given. I am thinking you all written in your booklet. Did you write, students? Yes. Okay. Very good. Then today we can start chapter 4, electric charge and electric current. Chapter 4, electric charge and electric current. So in this chapter, more formulas, unit, denote the letter, you have to learn. This chapter also, it's 10th standard, the same formula, same unit, denote the letter, everything will come. So first itself, you should listen carefully and you can learn. How much question I am giving to study, that question you have to learn. Yes, students, here electric charge. What is the electric charge? Charge, you know, there are 2 types of charge. What are the 2 types of charge? One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. This all of you know, electric charge, positive charge and negative charge. Now, electric charge, denote the letter is Q. What is electric charge? Denote the letter Q. Electric charge, denote the letter Q. The unit of electric charge is coulomb. This new word for you, coulomb. C-O-U-L-O-M. Coulomb. All of you, what is the unit of electric charge? Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. Simply we can write C. C means what? Coulomb. So now you know the unit of electric charge is coulomb. Denote the letter Q. So this coulomb we can write C also we can write. Okay. Now electric current. Electric current denote the letter I. Electric current denote the letter I. The unit of electric current is ampere. This everyone know. So what is the electric current denote the letter I. Electric charge denote the letter Q. So in this chapter electric charge and electric current, about electric charge and electric current we are going to learn. In this lesson you have to learn electric field, electric force, then electric potential, then electric current, then unit, formula, everything we are going to learn. Yes, listen. First, electric charge. You can learn about electric charge. You all know atom consists of nucleus is there. No, in this nucleus, what are the charges are there? Neutrons and protons. Now, here around the nucleus, here electrons are revolving around the nucleus. This all of you know. Now, we can see the charge. What is the unit of charge? Electron. Electron means negative charge. Here negative charge. Proton means what? Positive charge. Neutron means neutral charge. So here 3 charges are there. See the positive charge, negative charge and neutral charge. Okay. So the positive charge means positive charge is called protons and negative charge electrons, neutral charge neutrons. So the atom consists of a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, what are the charges are there? Neutrons and protons. And around the nucleus, which one is revolving around the nucleus? Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So electron which charge? Negative. Proton positive charge. Neutron negative. Suppose here the electron is take away from the atom. So only positive charge is there inside the atom. So inside the atom only positive charge is there. That is called positive ion. Positive ion. Positive ion means what? Suppose we are removing this electron from the atom. Now the atom has only positive charge. So this atom is called positive ion. Okay. Suppose negative ion means we are adding electrons, excess of electrons in the atom. So the atom fully, which charge is there? Negative charges are there. So it is called negative ion. Negative. Now see that we have learned about positive ion and negative ion. Positive ion means what? Suppose here electron is removed from the atom. So the atom consists only, which charge is there? Positive charge is there. So this is the positive ion. Now suppose we are adding electron into the atom. Excess of electron into the atom we are adding. So the atom only which charge is there? Negative, fully negative charge. So this is the negative ion. So here positive ion and negative ion we have learned. So see, already we have learned the charge, electric charge. Denote the letter, what is that? Electric charge denote the letter Q. What is the unit of electric charge? Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. Now, we can learn about formula for electric charge. See, the formula Q equal to, Q means what? Electric charge. Q equal to N. N means number of electrons. That's a whole number of electrons. E, the value, the electron value, 1.6 into 10 power 19 Coulomb. What is the value of one electron? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb, the value of, so E value, what is the value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. This you have to learn. So one electron value, E value, what is the value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. The unit of electric charge is, what is that? Coulomb. Now suppose 1 micro Coulomb. What is the value? Micro means already you have learned. Micro means what? 10 power minus 6. Okay. 1 micro Coulomb means what? 10 power minus 6 Coulomb. Then 1 nano Coulomb. Nano means what? 10 power minus 9 Coulomb. So micro means 10 power 6. Nano means, what is that? 10 power minus 9. Then 1 pico Coulomb. Pico means 10 power minus 12 Coulomb. Okay. The value you have to learn. 1 micro Coulomb, what's the value? 10 power minus 6 Coulomb. 1 nano Coulomb, 10 power minus 9 Coulomb. 1 pico Coulomb, 10 power minus 12 Coulomb. This value you have to learn. Micro 10 power minus 6. Nano 10 power minus 9. Pico 10 power minus 12 Coulomb. So this you have to learn. Now the formula for electric charge, what's the formula? What's the formula for electric charge? Q equal to N E. What's the formula for electric charge? Q equal to N E. Now your example problem regarding by using this formula, we can do problem for example problem number 1. So they are given, you have to find how many electrons are there in 1 Coulomb of charge. That only question. How many electrons are there in 1 Coulomb of charge? Okay. So electron value, by using this formula you have to find out. So electron E value already you know. What's the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. So you have to write E equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Now what you have to find out? N only you have to find. How many electrons? That only they are asked. So N you have to find out. They are given, charge is given. How much given? 1 Coulomb of charge is given. So Q equal to, what's the value? 1. Q equal to 1. Then you have to use this formula. Q equal to N E. Q equal to N E. From this you have to calculate N value. So N equal to Q divided by, what's the value of N? Q. From this formula we can find out N equal to Q divided by E. So just we can substitute the value. Q, what's the value of Q? 1 is the value of Q divided by, what is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. Just you have to write 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Just you have divide 1 divided by 1.6 divided means you get 6.25 into 10 power 19. Okay, you will get the answer 6.25 into 10 power 19. How we can write? First the question is how many electrons are there in 1 Coulomb of charge? That only question. So E value already you have learned. That value you have to write 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Then 1 Coulomb of charge only given in the question. So charge denote the letter Q. So Q equal to 1. Then you have to write the formula for charge. Q equal to, what's the formula? Q equal to N E. From here, you have to find that question, how many electrons? So N only you have to find out. So N equal to Q divided by E. So you have to substitute the value. Q value, what's the value of Q? 1 divided by, what's the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. Just divide means you will get 6.25 into 10 power 19. So this for example problem number 1 by using this formula. Which formula? Electric charge formula. What is the formula for electric charge? Q equal to NV. Very very important formula. Q equal to NV. What is Q? Q means what? Electric charge. N means what? Number of electrons. That's a whole number. Then E means electrons. Okay, so what's the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Next one is electric force. See, you all know like charge. Like charges means what? Positive charge or positive charge, negative charge or negative charge. That will say as a like charges. So here positive charge, here also positive charge. So this negative charge and negative charge. Now see this charge, same charge, no? So we'll say as a like charges. So like charges or repel each other. Okay, like charges or repel. Unlike charges means what? Positive charge and negative charge. Suppose this positive charge and negative charge. So here attracted each other. So here like charges or repel, unlike charges or attract. Okay, like charges or repel, unlike charges or attract. Now see, suppose here from here electric field. If you are finding the electric field here, from the positive charge to negative charge only current will flow. Two charges are there, no? Positive charge and negative charge. From the positive to negative only the current will flow. Okay. So here like charges or repel and unlike charges or attract. Like charges or repel, unlike charges or attract. Now here some electric force is there, no? Positive and negative there means some electric force is there. So the region around this charges. Okay, here positive charge and negative charge is there, no? The region around this charges has some electric force. Okay, that field only will say as electric field. So electric field means what? Here charges are there. The region around the charges have some electric force. So that is called, what is that? Electric field. So electric field for a book back answer question. Electric field means what? The region around the charges. The region around the charges which experience some electric force. That is called electric field. Electric field means what? The region around the charges experiences electric force is called electric field. Okay. Next one we can learn about electric lines of force. Electric lines of force. Now here positive charge. Here also negative charge. Now two charges are there. Opposite charges. No, positive charge and negative charge. Opposite charge, what happened? It will attract. Like that only we have learned. No, opposite charge attract. Now see the electric lines of force. Where it will start from positive charge. No, the electric lines of force start from positive charge. Suppose it will curve. The lines, electric lines will curve, or sometime it will come as straight. See the straight. Here also straight. Okay. See the electric lines of force are curved wires or straight. Okay. The electric lines of force are curved or straight, and it started from where? Positive. Tends to start positive charge. Here some electric force is there. So this is only electric lines of force. So electric lines of force are curved or straight. Okay. Electric lines of force are curved or straight, in which the electric force, where it will start? Positive to negative. It tends to start where? Positive charge to negative. So this is only electric lines of force. And all of you? Now the electric force we have learned. Here two charges are there. Same charge, what happened? Repel. Opposite charge, attract. The region around this charge, positive and negative, there means only light will flow. That you know. So the region around this charges in which it experiences electric force is called electric field. Now electric lines of force. This electric lines of force. Here lines are there. Now it is started from where? Positive charge to negative charge. So we have to give arrow mark like this. From the positive to negative only it will flow. Current will flow. So we have to arrow mark like this. The electric lines are sometimes curved line. Sometimes what? Straight line. And it experience some electric forces on them. This is called electric lines of force. Now we have learned about electric charge. Then electric charge, there are how many charges are there? Two charges, positive and negative charges. Now, example, atom. Atom, all of you know, chemistry also you have learned. And nucleus, what are the charges are there? Neutron and proton. Then around the nucleus, which one is revolving? Electron is revolving. That which is charge? Negative charge. Suppose there, what is positive ion? Suppose when we are taking the negative charge from the atom, so only positive charge is there in the nucleus. So we will say in the atom only positive charge is there. So we will say as the positive ion. Negative ion means what? When we are giving excess number of electrons to the atom. So the electron consists of only which charge is there? Negative charge is there. So we will say as that is negative ion. Okay. Then some electric force you have learned. Then what is the denote the letter charge? Denote the letter Q. So what's the formula for charge? Q equal to Ne. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb. This you have to learn. Unit of charge is coulomb, and the unit of electric current, what is that? I. That is unit of electric current ampere. Denote the letter, what is that? I. Okay. Now the current formula, electric current I equal to Q divided by T. So electric current there means what and all there? Charge also there, some time also there. Flow of charge only will say as electric current. Electric current means what? Flow of charge is called electric current. So I equal to Q divided by T. T means what? Time. Q electric charge. I electric current. Now we can study the unit of electric current, and where is the unit of electric current, and unit of electric charge, coulomb, and the unit of time is second. So this all the unit you have to learn. Unit of electric current, ampere, unit of electric charge, coulomb, unit of time, second. So this unit you have to learn. From this, another one formula also we can write for charge. What is the formula from this? We can write Q equal to I into T. So what's the formula? Q equal to I into T. So Q electric charge, I electric current, T time. So the unit same only. What is the unit of electric charge? Coulomb. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. What is the unit of time? Second. So two formula. For charge, two formula we have learned. What are the formulas? Q equal to Ne, Q equal to I into T. The same two formula. Suppose problem number of electrons or given means you have to use this one, and current and time given means you have to use this formula. Q equal to I into T. So total two formulas are there. Q equal to Ne, Q equal to I into T. So two formula also, which one given in the question, that we can use this one. Okay. So total three formula we have learned. Charge, electric charge, Q equal to Ne, Q equal to I into T. Then electric current, I equal to Q divided by T. So this two formula, three formulas, very very important formula we have to learn. Next year 10th standard also the same formula is there. So then unit you have learned. Now what is the unit of electric charge? Q. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. What is the unit of time? Second. So this also you have to learn. So these are about the electric charge. Can you understand, students? So what is the unit of electric charge? Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. What is the unit of electric charge? Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. What is the formula for electric charge? Q equal to Ne, Q equal to I into T. This formula, current formula I equal to Q divided by T. From this we can take that Q equal to I into T. Suppose here the current 5 ampere is given. Current 5 ampere, time 20 seconds it is given. Then you have to find charge. The electric charge you have to find. Suppose the current 5 ampere and the time 20 seconds is given. You have to find electric charge. Which formula you will use? Q equal to I into T. Two formulas are there for charge. Which formula you have to use? Q equal to I into T. Why? Because they are given, current given and time also given. So you have to use Q equal to I into T. So what is given? First you have to write given. Given current I equal to which one given? 5 ampere. Then time T equal to 20 seconds. Then you have to write the formula. Two formulas are there for charge. No. What are the formula? Q equal to N and Q equal to I into T. Which formula you have to select? Q equal to I into T. So this formula Q equal to I into T. So what's the value of 5? 5. What's the value of time? 20. So you will get the 100. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb is the unit of charge. So this is the answer. Charge equal to, you will get 100 coulomb. Okay. So far we have learned electric charge, electric force, electric lines of force and electric current. So this formulas, unit and how to use this formula in a problem, that also you have learned. Just you have to learn the number. Now take your book, students.
Please start.
Roman letter 6. Answer the following. First one. On what factors does the electrostatic force between two charges depend? So there itself you write the answer. The electrostatic force, from here to start, the electrostatic force between two charges depend upon. First point, the value of charges on them. Just you write it. The value of charges on them. Second point, distance between them. Third point, nature of medium between them. Nature of medium between them. First point, value of charges on them. Second point, distance between them. Third point, nature of medium between them. Question number 2. What are electric lines of force? Page number 40. Electric field heading. The region in which a charge experiences electric force forms the electric field around the charge. Second question here. The electric lines of force are a straight or curved path around which the unit positive charge tends to move into the electric field. Just mark it. Second question. Third question, define electric field. The electric field heading is there now below that. The region in which a charge experiences electric force forms the electric field around the charge. Third question. Now problem number 1. How many electrons will be there in 1 coulomb of charge? They are given charge of 1 electron value E equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Formula Q equal to Ne. From this we can take N equal to Q divided by E. The number of electrons in 1 coulomb equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So you will get the value 6.25 into 10 power 19 electrons. So far we have marked 3 questions. Roman letter 6, first 3 questions. Just study and write in your note. And formula also you have learned. Take your book and see the formulas are there. Unit is there. Denote the letter. Just learn well and okay students. Thank you.